In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your life together in Notion. This tutorial will guide you through creating an organized and centralized system where you can manage tasks, goals, habits, and personal projects all in one place. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion for personal organization is that it allows you to see every part of your life clearly, helping you stay focused, productive, and on track. To get started, log into your Notion account and go to your homepage. From there, click Marketplace. In the search bar, type Life Planner, Personal Organization, or Productivity, and you'll see a variety of templates designed to help you get started quickly. Depending on your needs, you might find templates for daily planners, goal trackers, habit trackers, or personal dashboards. Take a moment to browse the options and choose the template that best fits how you want to organize your life. Once you find a template that works for you, click the preview image to take a closer look. Reviewing the preview image allows you to see the layout, included sections, and how tasks, goals, and habits are structured. This step is important because it ensures the template covers all areas you want to track, such as work, health, personal growth, or leisure. After confirming that the template meets your needs, click Add. You can add it to your personal workspace to start organizing your life immediately. After the template has been added, click on it to open it in Notion. You can now customize the system by adding your own goals, tasks, and habits, as well as creating categories for different areas of your life. You can also include recurring tasks, deadlines, or progress tracking to stay accountable. The key benefit of using a template is that it provides a ready-made structure, so you can focus on improving your life rather than designing the system from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully built a personal organization system in Notion using a template, making it easier to manage your tasks, track your goals, and get your life together. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.